Good afternoon! I'll get ready. Siguro mga 2 na guys. And then, yeah, 2 na. Sikat. Darating dito in an hour. Kasi sabi niya, pupunta daw siya ng alas 3. Though yung pa-party is magsa-start ng alas 4. So, I'll just put some makeup on. Ikukulot ko yung buhok ko. I'm wearing one of my, what do you call that? Tassel earrings. Ikukulot ko yung buhok ko gamit ito. This. Yan, gagamitin natin yan for the very first time. I got that from gamies.com. Wala, hindi ko alam guys kung paano ko to siya irarap. Naghanap ako ng mga paper bag, pero wala na kaming paper bag eh. Ito yung ibibigay ko sa pinsan ni Annalie. Hindi kasi siya kasali sa monito-monita namin. And tapos na kami mag-monito-monita. Like, alam na namin kung sino. Tapos siya, darating siya. Bibigay ko to sa kanya. Dog Nose Pour 3-step pack. Para hindi siya ma-out of place kapag nagbibigay na kami ng gift, diba? All day cushion. Ito ibibigay ko sana sa kapatid ko. But then, hindi natuloy. And I think shade niya to kasi mas maputi siya sa akin. And then, Wonder Pour Ultra Clay pack. This is from Etude House. I'm gonna give that to her. Para meron siyang kanya. And then, let's put some makeup on. Okay, so tapos na yung makeup ko. Yung mga ginamit ko is yung mga pangmalakasan kong makeup. As usual, wala akong eyeshadow kasi hindi naman ako nag-eyeshadow. Wala akong eyeliner, wala sa mata na part. Mascara lang ako kasi kapag maraming something going on dyan, yung mata ko guys, mamumula para akong drug addict. Anyway, I used my mineral primer from Hourglass. Foundation is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. I'm in the shade Shell Beige. Perfect na perfect yung shade nito sa akin. And then, this is my pangmalakasang powder, guys. The Becca Soft Light Blurring Powder in the shade Golden Hour. Sobrang ganda nitong powder na to. And then, for my eyebrows, I have on the Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil in the shade number 4. And then, over that, I put on the Etude House Color My Brows Eyebrow Gel. Para hindi like over dark. Hindi pa tapos yung buhok ko guys ha. So don't judge my buhok. And then sa aking lashes. My favorite. Herwin May Long and Curl Mascara. Waterproof. This is from Pretty Angel Shop sa Pilipinas. Really good stuff. And then on my lips, I have the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade yeah, something. Sobrang ganda nitong lippy na to. And then on my cheeks, of course, my favorite Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. And then blush is the Ambient Diffused Heat from Hourglass. Yung ganito. Nice. Okay, now sa buhok na tayo. Okay, so tapos na yung aking hair and makeup. Very like, ano lang siya, loose, messy curl yung ginawa ko. Magbibihis na ako guys. Si Dan nag-prepare ng ipakita ko sa inyo pala yung ganap dito. So meron kaming ganyan. Yung chicken namin. Sobrang dami namin pagkain today. So yung chicken na binili ko is ito lang maliit. Kasi ito or yung sobrang laki naman na siguro mga 50 katao yung makakakain. Sabi ni Kat, early daw siya. So, meron pa pala. Tignan nyo naman ite. Galing naman ni Danny Boy. So, fruit mince pies. And then chips. I love those. And then nuts. Yum. And then cricket. Your top, babe. That's really good. Big W. Do you still have the tag? Oh, good. You look good, babe. Narap ko na yung gift ko para sa kasinian. So, dyan na yan. Lalagyan ko siya ng Christmas card there. And then, lagay natin siya dito. Ay, 3 na. Pagdating ng mga girls, dadami yan ng bongga. Yay! Nakaka-excite, guys. Nakakaloka. First time namin magpa-party-party dito sa bahay. Wait? Ikaw si Santolo against the light. Wait, pakita natin. Sorry, ni. Pakita natin yung outfit mo. Ikaw na ang best outfit of the day. Nag-ano mo na ba kayo? Ay, nakita ko sa picture. Nakakaloka. I-follow nyo. Picture ba sa Instagram ba yung ni Neil or sa'yo? I-check nyo yung Instagram ni, guys, Kati. Yung costume ni Neil, ang ganda. Tingnan mo, may pa-heels pa. Ang tangkad-tangkad na. Tingnan nyo. Ang liit-liit. Asan na? Si Sexy? Asan yung, akala ko, may patasol ako pero wala, tinalo eh. Tingnan mo naman yung patasol. May patasol, naghaba naman. Lil. Oh.
So cute.
Oh, look at baby B. Oh, she's cute. Where did you get that?
Chips.
How about the top? Big W? Yeah, we went there yesterday. He was gonna buy that. I was like, no, this family hates Christmas. They hate Christmas, this family.
Yeah, I really like Christmas.
They hate Christmas. Si Santa. Kawawa naman si Santa. What are you doing to Emil? Kain. Spring roll. Si Santa yung gumawa niyan. Tapos yan, si Sexy. Sarap na barbecue. Yan. Binili namin yan sa Costco. Ay, oo! Niluto ko yan. Ano yan? Chilled buffalo.
Niluto mo yan, Day?
Hindi. Alam mo naman ako. Philippines!
Sabi niya, magiging Miss Universe daw siya. Ano yung representative niya?
Oo nga. Philippines. Uy, Philippines ka ha? Yay! Ang cute naman. Oo. Bigay sa akin yan ng subscriber. Subscribe. Sa ano tayo? Paddy's Market sa Sydney. $2 ata. Sino yan? Who's that? Ay. Ang sex! Oh, hi! How are you?
Wow.
Dito si Mark.
Hi. Ano tayo sa ano?
Diretso lang dun. Hi guys! May pa-heels pa talaga itong mga tatangkad.
Ganyan
Oo na po.
Guwapo kayo sa lang.
Thank you! Kaldireta yan? Ito galing kay Love guys. Ito yung paella ni ano Mark.
Tingnan mo kung intact pa.
Yum!
Sarap naman, uy.
Baka lumipad-lipad
Oh my gosh, yum! Wala, salamat.
Niluto? Ngayon mo lang niluto yan?
Sarap! Daming pagkain. Hi! Joyce is here. They brought their food. Yeah. Leche flan at saka pansit with meatballs yung kay yung dala ni Ann. And we have the baby. We have the baby. Have the baby. Oh, you're vlogging.
I know, she asked me to. Things I do.
You're good though. I watch your vlog. Me and Jordan, I'm like, ah, the best vlogger.
Thank you.
Miss Universe Philippines. Come on, Filipino. Hello, you're good. Ay, Veronica Rosemore in Philippines.
Gotta show this outfit.
We call it
What outfit?
Santa's penis. See, where's your penis gone? It's just
Sige, yung vodka shot.
First time I made it.
You like it? Okay. Yeah.
Where's the...
Oh, look at the glitter. Did you see? No, I haven't tried it.
That's what made
Look
us
at the
do it.
glitters. So the green has glitter, and then the blue, and then the pink.
Yeah, that's what I made.
Hindi umiinom sila, pero inom siya nito.
That's what I do at pregnant.
Go.
To bring in alcohol. Yeah. Totally good idea.
Ubusin mo, wag kang anong shot yan, hindi yan pagkain. Kinutsara, kinain.
No, hindi ko kaya. 1, 2, 3.
You don't chew it. It's called a shot.
Oh, galing! Proto eh.
Ulitin yung aking na yun.
Ang arte-arte mo kasi may pa... Nasa, pait? Ayoko din yan eh.
Di ba, ba't yun? What are you doing?
Nah, I don't want it. Yeah? Iba din to sa kanya. Okay lang sa kanya. Sige, go! How old are you? Ilang taon na si Joyce? Go, go! Makulit. Ilan ka na? 21? Yeah, you're fine. You're legal. Yeah! Go, go, go! Yay! Vodka shots. Malalasing talaga ako nito. Good luck. Malalasing talaga ako nito. Come here! Babe! Babe! We're standing! Ate!
She's breastfeeding. She's not alcoholics like you guys. She's a respectable mother. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I'm picking up one or two.
Probably.
Okay, go. 1, 2, cheers!
Who's gonna fail?
Oh, lovely. Look at it.
You gotta shut it, Ray.
Zoom in. Zoom in.
Ray, you gotta swallow it. You don't chew it.
You gotta swallow. You can swallow.
Don't chew it. Don't chew it. You know when I say don't chew it? Why do you keep chewing it? Don't chew it.
I did! Oh! That's so bad.
That wasn't.
That whole don't chew, like. You don't meant to chew it. You meant to chew it.
Kain, barbecue, Lyra, pansit ni Ann, kaldereta ni Lovely, rice namin. Rice yung amin. Paella kay Mark, asawa ni Love. Yan yung kay Kat. Parang natamaan ako sa vodka, guys. Ay, wala pala akong tinidor at saka kutsara. Parang lasing ako. Mia, Santa! Kain! Ang dami pang pagkain dun. Wala pang lunch si Kat. So, bakit talaga ulo ko dun sa ano, ha? Sa vodka niyo. Siniset up na ni Dan at saka ni Mark yung ano, yung Magic Sing. Kananta tayo. Sorry? Yeah, sure.
You went a 50-cent candy shop, right?
What?
50-cent candy shop. 50 cent? No, you didn't hear 50 cent is? How about Nelly? Nelly?
No.
No? Justin Bieber?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Justin Bieber, Beyonce, Rihanna.
No, 50 cent.
I think I've heard. Yeah. Oh, pakantahin nila. Hindi ko nga alam paano i-operate. Kasi guys, hindi lang niya alam i-operate. Pero kanta siya guys. No, enjoy. Good luck talaga sa mga kapitbahay, Day.
Day, magalit. Yan na yan, Day. Ang song.
Alone nga daw.
Alone. Yung ano.
Kakantahin namin yung Always na Atlantic Star. Hello. Bakit ayaw?
Ayan na, go play! Hello! Paano mag-play?
Hello.
If you want.
Hello.
Naka-reserve lang.
Hello.
Paano siya mag-play, be?
Lasing na ako, guys. Uminom ako ng vodka. Wait, lovely dueto.
Kaya ko lang.
Yes!
That I wanna shoot you when I take my come with me, let's go with the family.
Dito yung camera ko, Day.
Against the light yan. Lagay mo dito.
Okay, Rasha.
Inom kami. Basta ito. Haloy, maglalasing talaga tayo nito, Doy. Hindi ko naman alam to paano i-open. Danny Boy to the rescue. Hala, yung aking Filipino.
Day, pumutok medyo.
Uy, mag-cheers tayo. Dito ka lang ito. Cheers. Cheers to my 500 subscribers. Oh, cheers. Uy. Kanta kami ng zombie, guys. Kaming dawa ni Kat. Duwin tayo. Zombie. Dancer to si Kat eh.
Where?
Ay,
Nga eh.
demanding din siya eh. Pa-reserve daw.
Huwag kang
Sabi ni Madam,
nahihirapan na ako.
pa-reserve, ah.
Nasaan na ba?
Ikaw, Day. Another. Woo! Kantay. Ikaw, Day. The violence calls the silence. Who are we? You tonight, and if into my dreams you come.
And the star of the show is this dude.
That's a bit alcohol.
Kathy. Ah, you guys. Two. More forward, Neil, go more forward. You go more forward. Go more forward. It doesn't hurt, don't worry.
He's going backwards.
Where do we go forward?
I don't know which way switch.
Greg, you're next.
You got some necklace?
I like your face.
Is it real cream?
Yeah, it is. It's light.
It's not like Zogo.
How tasty.
It's good. It's good.
That's good, yeah. Oh, that's fine. It's fine. Let's do it. Let's do it.
One.
I'm off the bacon.
And soon I will be there. I love you all. Love you too, Roxella. I love you. Parang talaga mabuwag.
Hindi ka mga alam, boys.
Kay
tawa
Tin
na-
to.
Yeah, Christina to.
Si Christina gumawa nito. Thank you, Tin.
Cheers.
Wala ako. Wait. Yung akin. Cheers. Love you all.
Love you guys.
Lasing.
I love you, baby. Love you, baby.
Guys, you count the I love you.
Ito, deliver natin dessert sa asawa. Wait, open natin. Ala, tingnan mo. Deliver. Sige, go. Deliver. 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 Kay Danny Boy. Nahihiya sila doon.
Oh, that's my. Oh, yeah.
I love you.
Everybody's vlogging.
I get.
Tingnan na pala mga 10 cents.
That's yours! Sa kanya, Tim Tam. Iba yun sa kanya.
You said no.
Christina made this. And then that's for me.
Looks awesome.
Ano? Sumasakit na yung ulo ko. Ikaw? Hindi. Ay, hindi sumasakit yung ulo ko.
Yung balance tayo na shake.
Umatras siya kanina. Gumagano siya. Umatras.
Yung parang ano ba yung
The world is round.
Yeah. The world is circle. Nag-ano ko ng camera na yun.
No, thank you.
Get
Sige
safe.
na. Okay guys, sige na. Ibigay mo tayo yung unang tingin. Kaya na kami po pwede yung mga come here.
Yeah, come on.
This is for me. Hello, because.
Okay. Come.
Greg, listen.
Lauren, come.
Hold, babe, listen.
Hey, this is for Mia, and it is for Neil. I love my monita. Yes, I do. Open it. Open it.
Drum roll.
Oh, did you? Ooh! Oh, babe! That's
Great, yeah. my gift is for Dan.
It's a cross scarf! Wow! Oh! Toilet basketball! A toilet basketball! Ah! No way!
Here's to Lara.
Yeah!
How am I going to open this? It's so many.
Just open it.
Thank you.
Makeup.
Oh, thank you.
Bumili siya niyan sa Daiso. Maganda yan. Yes!
Oh, TV. Mine is coffee.
Yeah!
Yay! Take it, guys.
Open it, open it.
Open it, baby V. Let's go. Baby V.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
Perfume and not following instruction.
Bakit?
Not following instruction.
Ah! Yay!
KK.
She was like, oh, thank you.
That's what I need.
What's that one?
It's PlayStation 4. It's a charging station for PlayStation 4.
Oh, cool!
Just kidding you.
Hey! Oh, you open it!
Come on. You don't even have to open it. You're just gonna pull it out.
Whoa!
You like that? That's really good, man. That's really good.
Huh?
Let's make it.
Oh, cool! You got Adam, right?
No,
So Adam got Tony!
Bella.
Money! $500!
Hold on.
That's cool.
Rebel! Oh, cool! That's from Adam.
Who's the second to last person?
Who's yours, babe?
I'm guessing.
That's not the
Oh!
Not following instruction.
Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton.
Actually, then
Oh, what's that?
This is expensive.
Yes, that's following instruction. See, that's following instruction. That's what I told her. What is this? Oh, that's good.
Open it.
That's expensive. I'm not following instruction.
Not following. Very good.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
okay, me. Me, yay. You got me.
Oh,
He's vlogging na siya. Ay, ano po? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Camera. Not following
TV. It's a TV. It's a TV.
TV.
Computer.
Sinigyan mo ko ng damit. Dahil mo ko di mo ka-shirt.
that's
Mark 3.
Wow, it's a lot man. Uy.
It's for baby.
It's another charger for the PlayStation.
PlayStation.
It's a TV controller. Oh, how good you get?
Not following instruction.
Oh, ay, meron naman na. Meron na.
You can grow your own grass as well. It's a grass grower. Oh,
we got the same thing. We have to wear it.
Kasya ba yan sa akin?
Sponsor guys, that one.
zoom.
Oh, this one's nice. I like this.
Yeah. I like that too. I like that too. I like that too. I like that.
Sino wala? Ikaw! Bidoon.
Wow.
Hello!
following instructions.
Hindi naman
I will take it then. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it.
This is for Joyce.
Joy, oh,
Oh, take it.
iiyak na yan.
It's a car.
It's a car.
It's a small car. Cause I'm an old man. I mean, no one can get away what I'm feeling.
No one. Oh no! I'm sorry! Are you okay? I'm fine.
How many? Two.
Wait! Three! Three!
Close your eyes.
That's it.
No, it's coming. Not prepared. No, it's coming. One,
What?
two,
Don't forget I'm allowed to dodge it. It's got to be the ready to go, right?
It's gotta be. It's gotta
Boom!
Oh!
Lyra. Go, Jordan.
Off for so
I
long.
know, I had it. If I-
Oh, lucky. Four. Oh, this is it. Do you need a hair tie? One.
Oh, more. Two more. Two more.
Three.
Oh!
Boom.
Four doon. Paano ka paano?
Kaya paharap pa.
Bastos, Jud. Oh.
Padali na sila.
Pagkakuhan.
One.
Oh, poor guy. She's gonna get done for sure.
Ayusin, bye. One, two, three. And then, last one, oh my God. Meron? Go on, I love you, Dai.
Get it.
Go.
Close your eyes, Dai.
One. Two.
It's just melting a bit.
Get a 4.
Oh.
Okay.
That's what you need.
Challenging. Boom. No, that's it.
You gotta put your chin on it.
Okay, one. Four. One. It's broken. I love babe. You only had four. I could have got it. It could have been me. Thank you, babe. Wala talaga siya sa tono dahil. Okay, ready? Ready? I-ano mo muna sa ano mo eh. Ganito. Tapos na? Sa'yo? Ready? Kainin mo pati ko pa. Sige na, ready? Ready? Cheers!
Angels that are helping, that are making me burn off in hell.
Cheers na. Uy! Uy! Ano lang ha? Ala, good girl! kain tayo.
Oh, sorry.
Nakaalis na sila guys. Babalik daw sila bukas. Pero nakaalis na sila. Maglilinis kami. Thank you so much guys for watching. Sobrang saya today. I think it's gonna be a really long vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Merry Christmas. Bye. Bye.
Yes, goodbye.
Good night. Bye guys. Mwah.